In this video, you are going to learn how to add sign-up forms to a website so you can build your email list. I'll walk you through how to set up a pop-up form step by step. Then I'll show you how to add a sign-up form to the sidebar of your website. And finally, I'll walk you through how to add a sign-up form at the bottom of a blog post where visitors can download a PDF in exchange for putting in their email. You can also use the same process and tool that I'll show you to create an engaging spin-to-win sign-up form where visitors can win discount coupons or sign-up forms to unlock premium content. So let's get started. Step 1 is to create a Convertful account. To create a Convertful account for free, click the link below and choose the free account. Then enter your email and click Create Free Account. Next, open your email and copy and paste the verification code to verify your email. Then enter your first name, a username, and password to complete your account. And that's how easy it is to create a Convertful account for free. Step 2 is to connect Convertful to your website. To connect a website, enter your domain name, select your site platform from the list. It works across all different types of websites. Select your site category and then click Add Site. Then follow the instructions to connect your website. For example, to connect a WordPress website, log into your WordPress dashboard, click to add a new plugin, and search for the Convertful plugin. Then install and activate the plugin, and then click to connect with Convertful. Then sign in to the Convertful account that you created in step 1. And that's how easy it is to connect your website to Convertful. Step 3 is to design the sign-up form. To create a sign-up form, click Create Widget and choose the template that you want to use. These pre-made templates will save you so much time because you don't need to design a sign-up form from scratch, and they also include the incentives that are proven to increase email subscribers and sales. For example, click pop-ups to see all of the types of pop-ups that you can create. And click Create Pop-up to edit the template. To edit the image, click on the image and replace the image by uploading your own image. Click on the heading text to edit it, resize it if you need to, and edit the subtext if you'd like to include the benefits of signing up. Click on the button to edit the text on the button, and that's how simple it is to design your sign-up form. Step 4 is to choose your display rules. Now that you've designed your form, the next step is to choose how and when that sign-up form appears. To choose the display rules, click on the Display Rules tab, and you will see the display options. For example, you can choose to show the form when a visitor intends to leave your website or when a visitor scrolls to more than 20% of the page. Once you're done, click Save Changes and change the form from inactive to active. Now that you've activated the form, we want to make sure that it's displaying on your website as intended. So open up your website, wait for the form to appear, and then enter an email to test that it's collecting emails. Then come back into Convertful and click on Subscribers. And you should see the email address that you've just entered listed as a subscriber. And that's how easy it is to choose your display rules, activate your form, and test that it's working. Step 5 is to connect your email provider. Convertful collects emails, but to actually email your subscribers, you will need to use an email provider. To connect Convertful to your email provider, click Integrations, and then Add Integrations. Then choose your email provider from the list. For example, to connect to MailChimp, click MailChimp, and then log into your MailChimp account when prompted. Finally, disable the double opt-in confirmation and then click Save Changes. Now that Convertful and your email provider are connected, let's test that it's working. Open up your website in incognito mode. Enter an email in the sign-up form, and then log into your email provider. And you should see the email that you entered in to the sign-up form appear underneath your list of subscribers in your email provider. And that's how easy it is to connect Convertful to your email provider and test that it's working. Now that you've added one sign-up form, the process to add additional forms is much quicker. So let's look now at how to add a sign-up form in the sidebar of your website. To add a sign-up form in the sidebar, click Create Widget in Convertful. Click Inline Widgets and select the template that you want to use. Edit the text in the same way as before. Activate the sign-up form and then choose the display rules. To add this sign-up form to a WordPress website, copy the WordPress shortcode, open your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance, and then Widgets. Drag and drop a text widget into the main sidebar of your website and paste in the shortcode that you got from Convertful. Now open your website, refresh the page, and you will see the sign-up form appear in the sidebar. That's how easy it is to create a sign-up form in the sidebar of your website. Now finally, I'll walk you through how to add a sign-up form where visitors can download a PDF. To create another sign-up form, click Create Widget. Click Inline Widgets and choose your template. Click on the image or text to edit it as shown before. Now to add a PDF for visitors to download, click on the Thank You Page tab. Click on Download the File button, and here you'll see the place to paste in the URL to download the file. So first we must upload our PDF to the internet so that people can download it. And you can simply upload it to Dropbox or Google Drive, get the link and paste it in here. Or if you have a WordPress website, you can open your WordPress dashboard, click on Media, click Add New, and upload the PDF that you have prepared earlier. Then click on Edit and copy the file URL and paste it in to the button URL. Then click Save Changes, activate the sign-up form, and choose the display rule as after the post content so the form appears after the blog post content. You can choose to show this form on a certain blog post by adding in the post URL, or you can delete this condition so this form shows across the bottom of all the blog posts on your website. Remember to save changes, then open your website, refresh the page, and the sign-up form should appear. Finally, enter an email and download the file to test that it's working. That's how simple it is to add a sign-up form where visitors can download a PDF file. Now with Convertful, you can also set up spin to win sign-up forms where visitors can win discount coupons. You can also set up welcome screens which appear when visitors land on your website. And you can even set up forms to unlock premium content. All of these are fantastic ways to build your email list, so click the link below to get Convertful free and create these sign-up forms for yourself.